So this is a test of using my wireless microphone with my iPhone and using my stand to position the iPhone for these kind of shots. Does any of this even work? Let's find out. All this should be editable and usable footage. Walk in frame, walk out of frame. By the way, I can see my monitor there from a distance, granted, to see how I'm framed. Do things like this. Let's see if I look away from my microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Look this way. Back that way. Who knows? Let's check it out.